What's up, everybody? It is Dr. Michael Mash with Barbell Rehab. Today I wanted to talk about this concept of how to find your entry point exercise when a client is dealing with pain during a lift. So what do we mean by the entry point? So let's use the example of somebody that has shoulder pain during the bench press. And let's say you've already tried modifying grip width, lowering the load, decreasing the load, volume, frequency. You've tried all of these form variations and programming modifications and the person still hurts. If this is the case, you may need to temporarily remove the bench press from this program because it is just too sensitized at this moment. No amount of programming or form modification helped. So we take away the bench press. So the question is, what do we replace it with? This is where the concept of the entry point comes in. We want to replace it with an exercise that is as similar to the provocative one that doesn't cause symptoms. That's the entry point. That is the entry point exercise. Subbing in the exercise that is most similar to the provocative one that doesn't cause symptoms. And it may be a dumbbell bench press in this case. But maybe a dumbbell bench press hurts and you need to regress to a dumbbell floor press. So then the entry point would be the dumbbell floor press. Maybe a dumbbell bench press hurts, maybe a dumbbell floor press hurts, and the only horizontal pressing pattern you can do is a push-up. So your push-up would be called the entry point. It is the variation that is most similar to the provocative one that doesn't cause symptoms. Then, once you get good at the entry point exercise, you can progressively dose in variations that are closer and closer to the desired lift, if they're tolerable, to get back to the lift you want to. So for example, if you have shoulder pain with the bench press and you regress the whole way back to a push-up, you don't want to go just right back to the bench press once the push-up feels good. You may want to dose in a dumbbell bench first, or a barbell floor press, and you work your way back up, getting more and more similar to the activity you want to do. This works for all the barbell lifts, all lifts in general, and we show you how to do all of that with our courses. So if you like what you saw, we have more free videos on Instagram, YouTube. Make sure to read our articles, barbellrehab.com. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends.